In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SciSpace AI Writer to boost your research speed. So the first thing you'll have to do is create an account on SciSpace. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you can try out SciSpace completely for free. So make sure you check that out, link down below. So once you're in here, you want to go to the Home tab here on the left, and then as you can see, this is going to be your main window over here. It says the fastest research platform ever. And to actually use SciSpace to boost your research speed, here's what you can do. So what this will help you with, so of course it has a lot of different things it can do. It can make a literature review, it can basically AI write for you, find topics, etc. However, if you go to the home screen, I think this is the best way to start. Now, to actually do this, in here you simply want to enter in your search query. Now, as you can see, they actually have three different options. You can go with standard, with high quality, or deep review. Of course, I would always recommend going with deep review in case you are actually looking for some articles that contain some specific answers to your questions. So let's go in here and then enter your search query. As you can see over here, there's some examples, but you can write in whatever you want. So it can be a statement, it can be a question you are looking for the answers for, etc. So for example, let's say I'm gonna write in how do athletes use social media, for example. Okay, and then as you can see over here, you're gonna get some suggestions, but if you don't want to use this, you can just click on this button over here or press enter on your keyboard, and what this will do is it will start searching for articles. Okay, now once that's done, as you can see over here, it's gonna give you the research steps. Over here it's gonna think, and then over here it says, could you please clarify or narrow down your search query regarding how athletes use social media. Okay, so of course if it asks you this, you can of course narrow it down. So it says over here, what is the primary purpose athletes use on social media? And if in case that you want that, you want to just copy that, for example, paste it in here, and then click on this button over here, and then it's going to start looking for different things for you. As you can see over here, it's going to start performing steps. It says takes up to 3 minutes, etc. But of course, usually this is going to be quicker. And then once that's done, it will essentially give you whatever you asked for. As you can see over here, it found 74 top papers out of this many, whatever it says over here. And you can click on show more, and then it's going to show you all of these articles, and you can click on each and every single one. And of course, this will kind of open up a separate tab where you can see the abstract, you can see what's going on with this article, you can even get the PDF, save it, cite it, etc. So you can do pretty much whatever you want with that. Now, this of course is one of the best things, but what's also great is you can also generate a podcast. So it's actually going to play this as a podcast. So essentially it's going to be an AI podcast where you can just listen to this or see the summary of a specific article over here. Okay, so in here, that's the first thing you can do. Of course, you can also find topics here on the left, etc. But this is kind of how this works, and it's gonna give you essentially the top 20 papers. You can of course look for top 5, top 20, whatever you want to do, and then this will give you, as you can see over here at the very bottom, once this generation is complete, you'll see in a quite convenient way, it's going to say basically what this is, so what type of a publication this is. This is going to be the DOI number. Here you are going to see the exact title of the article or whatever that is, and here are the authors, and then the publish date, as well as the ability to again create a podcast, ask a question regarding this paper. You can bookmark it and save it, or you can request the PDF directly from SciSpace in case you want to do that too. Here it says there's some insights, so you can just see essentially what this article is about, whether it talks about the topics you wanted to know about or not. So you can just quickly see and essentially know if that is what you're looking for. So if it is, click on it, and I already showed you that page, and in here you can then continue on forward. So that's pretty much it. That's the best way to use SciSpace AI Writer to boost your research speed. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.